With Mylio Photos, you never have to go into the file system to find a photo. You simply find the photo you want and use the share menu to share it, or even easier, you simply copy and paste that photo to any application or for any purpose that you might want to use. In this case, I want to share this photo of C-Start with my friend Angela. So I'm going to right mouse click on the photo, select copy, and now Mylio is using the System Clipboard to copy that image and allow me to paste it onto another application. I'm going to switch to Slack, and here's my Slack with Angela, and I'm simply going to enter Command V for paste, and now the photo has been added, and I can send that to my coworker. It's as simple as that. When you use copy and paste using the System Clipboard, Mylio is going to give you the best possible image option according to what's already locally on your device. But if you want better options or you want further control on what you're copying and pasting, you can use the Share menu, select System Clipboard, and then you can select file type, file size, and any other parameters that you want to modify. And that's it. Simply find the image you want, copy it, and paste it anywhere you want. Email, other applications, etc.